Today, we are going to be making some Jamaican oxtail stew. This Jamaican oxtail stew is rich, aromatic, loaded with big, bold Caribbean flavors. For our ingredients, we have fresh beef oxtail, browning sauce, Worcestershire sauce, brown sugar, curry powder, ground allspice, smoked paprika, black pepper to taste, a white onion, garlic cloves, ginger paste or grated ginger, scallions, vegetable oil, tomato paste, carrots, canned tomato sauce, bay leaves, scotch bonnet pepper, fresh thyme, beef broth, and a can of buttered beans. We are going to prep and marinate our oxtails. The first thing I did is I cleaned my oxtails really good with some vinegar and some lime juice. Now we're going to add our oxtail pieces into a large bowl. Then we're going to add our browning sauce, our Worcestershire sauce, brown sugar, curry powder, allspice, paprika, salt and pepper, onions, garlic, ginger, and our scallion. You want to use your hands to massage all the aromatic and spices into your oxtail pieces. You want to make sure that you mix everything together and every oxtail is evenly coated. We're going to add our oxtails to a Ziploc bag and we're going to refrigerate it and marinate at least for 2 hours or overnight. Overnight is for best results. This ensures even flavor throughout your oxtail. So it's the next day. You want to remove your oxtails from its marinade mixture, shaking off the excess onions and scallion bits, but do not discard your marinade. You want to set that aside. We're going to set our oxtails aside on a large plate or platter. In a large, heavy bottom pot or Dutch oven, you want to heat some oil up over medium-high heat. Once your oil is hot, we're going to gently stir the pot around and evenly coat the bottom of our pot, and then we're going to add a few of our oxtail pieces into the pot, working in batches, carefully not to overcrowd. We're going to sear our oxtails on all sides until deep brown crust appears, about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. We're going to transfer our oxtails to a clean plate. We're going to repeat the process until all our oxtail pieces are brown. Then we're going to set our brown oxtails to the side and reduce the heat to medium. Now that marinade that you had sitting to the side, you want to put it in the same pot along with your tomato paste, and we're going to saute until lightly tender. You want to scrape up all your caramelized bits on the bottom of your pot, stirring the paste to coat the marinade. That takes anywhere from 4 to 5 minutes. We're going to mix that up really well. Now we're going to add in our beef broth and our tomato sauce. Now we're going to add all of our brown oxtails back into our pot, nesting them right on the top of our mixture. The oxtail pieces should be almost completely submerged under the liquid. We're going to add in our carrots. We are going to gently stir everything together until well combined. Our thyme and our bay leaves. And don't forget your scotch bonnet pepper. You want to reduce your heat to medium-low and cover the pot with the lid and allow your oxtails to stew for about 2 to 2.5 hours covered until your oxtail pieces are tender. Here you can see that our sauce has thickened up, and I'm just taking out the stems from the fresh thyme and our bay leaves, and my scotch bonnet pepper did break up, so it made my oxtail stew a little bit hot but not too hot. And here I'm just going to add in my butter beans. You can choose to drain your liquid off. I did not drain my liquid off of my butter beans. So I'm just going to mix my butter beans in really good. I'm going to let that simmer for a couple of minutes. And then we're going to serve over some rice. And here you can see our oxtails. Delicious. Today we made oxtail stew. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats.